Hello everyone and welcome to keySkillset. Our platform provides you with hands-on training that boosts your confidence and skills better. And today I'm going to show you how it's done on our msword course. So scrolling down to our course content, the first module, getting started with Word, the first submodule, ribbon navigation, and starting with the first task, expand or collapse the ribbon. So I'm just going to click on start right here to begin. So now we have our first task. I will just follow the instructions as shown on the screen by pressing on enter on my keyboard. To collapse the ribbon, going to press on Ctrl and F1. Right, so that should do it. I can press on any key to continue. I will press on enter. So you're expected to perform all of these tasks. So towards the end of this submodule, you're expected to also perform a skillset IQ, which will allow you to track exactly how efficient you become. So by the end of this program, you can expect at least to double your skill level. So going back to our main course. We have also the rest of the modules and submodules. In order to complete the course and gain a certificate, go through all the modules and score 65% on the final case study, which is as close as it gets to a real-world scenario. So in short, our platform will stop you from making mistakes and teach you the most important functions you will need to thrive in your role.